In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to calculate age in Google Sheets using a date of birth. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips. First, open your Google Sheet and make sure you have a column with birth dates. Click on the cell where you want the age to appear. Now type the DATEDIF formula. Start with equals DATEDIF, select the birth date cell, then type today and use Y to calculate full years. Press enter and you'll instantly see the person's age in years. Then drag the formula down to apply it to the rest of your list. Here's how it works. Google Sheets compares the birth date with today's date and counts how many full years have passed, giving you the exact age automatically. If you want a more detailed result, you can also calculate years and months together. Use the same DATEDIF function twice, one for years and one for remaining months, and combine them into a readable format. Press enter and now you'll see results like 24 years, 3 months instead of just 24. This method updates automatically over time, so you never have to recalculate ages manually. And that's it. A simple and accurate way to calculate age from a date of birth in your spreadsheet. If this helped you, give it a like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more quick and practical tutorials.